What's up everyone, how you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about the iOS 15.3 beta 3. Yes, finally this week Apple is expected to announce the iOS 15.3 beta 3 to public. To developers, alright. I'm just so excited because I think that we may see wallpapers finally this time. I have a gut feeling that beta 3 or iOS 15.3 RC will be the firmware when we will finally see some new wallpapers. Spoiler alert, yes, it is also possible that we may not see beta 3 this week because the day I'm recording this video is 20th and the day this video will be live will be also 20th, which is Thursday today. So if Apple had to release the iOS 15.3 beta 3, if history is an indication, they would have released it by Wednesday. But now that it is not still out to public, by public I mean developers, alright, so just don't spam in comments that, "Hey, yo Mr. Hyped, you don't even know that betas are not supposed to be out for public? Boo, I'm disliking this video." Just don't do that, alright? Shh. Jokes aside, we are about to get new wallpapers on iOS 15.3. I know you guys are excited. I am excited. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already because we are really close to 10k and I gotta get the 10k as soon as possible. Alright, just do it. Talking about battery improvement, well, yes, there are a lot of people, a lot of you guys who have been getting really bad battery life on your devices, which is expected to be resolved and fixed on the iOS 15.3 beta 3 or the RC. Talking about the dates in like this whole segment of this video from this to now, we will talk about dates of iOS 15.3, when it will be out to public and when the beta 3 and RC will be out. Let's start. So the beta 3, if not, it won't be out this week, like it is Thursday today, and if it won't be out by tomorrow, Friday, so we won't really be seeing beta 3 in short. We will see RC next week on Tuesday, Wednesday, or maybe even Monday. You never know. Apple is being really unpredictable lately, so I am trying my best to just get my prediction spot on and the date spot on. Basically, I'm trying to be Hawkeye, but yeah, you know what I'm trying to say, alright. Talking about when iOS 15.3 will be out to public, the public version of iOS 15.3 is expected to be released in the first week of February. So first week of February, mark that week. That week is the time when we will see iOS 15.3 stable version will be out to public. Basically, the stable version will be out next week, but sometimes Apple also release 2 RCs, so if we will see another RC, we may see it in the second week of February. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Yes, this was a quick one. If you did ended up liking this video, all the information and jokes we cracked in this video, consider hitting that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed. Basically, peace out and have a great day everyone.